Good morning, students. Today's first topic is related to political science. Political science focuses on the theory of government and politics at the local, state, national, and international level. A government is the system or group of people governing an organized community, state, or nation. A government is responsible for creating and enforcing the rules of a society, defense, foreign affairs, the economy, and public services. While the responsibilities of all governments are similar, those duties are executed in different ways depending on the form of government. Ninth lesson, forms of government. In this lesson, we are going to know what are those types of government. Let's start. There are different types of governments. Read the description and name the type. In help box, republic, dynasty, monarchy, democracy, dictatorship, these types of governments are given. First, it is a form of government in which one person who inherits or is elected to a throne is head of the state for life. These persons have different titles, including king, emperor, or sultan, in various governments. This form of government is called monarchy. Monarchies were the most common form of government until the 20th century. Today, 45 sovereign nations in the world have a monarch. Queen Elizabeth II is the current Queen of the United Kingdom and the Commonwealth nations. Second, it is a form of government which means rule by the people. In this system, citizens take part in government, directly or indirectly. There are free elections, majority rules, and minority rights. Political parties are a necessary part and it is constitutional government. This form of government is called democracy. The majority of the world's countries are now democratic. The Economist Intelligence Unit's latest world's strongest democracies are Norway, Ireland, and Sweden. Third, it is form of government in which an individual, a committee, or a group holds absolute power. In this system, the person or the group does not allow any opposition. This form of government is called dictatorship. Typically, dictators are put into power when a nation faces significant social issues, such as high rates of unemployment or unrest among the nation people. As of 2018, there are currently a total of 50 nations that have dictator or authoritarian regime ruling the nation to this day. Nazi Germany under Hitler and the Soviet Union under Stalin are the examples of modern dictatorship. Fourth, it is any form of government whose leader or leaders are elected usually for a specific term of office. It is governed according to a constitution. This form of government is called republic. Republic form of government in which a state is ruled by representative of the citizen body. India is a federal parliamentary secular democratic republic in which the President of India is the head of state and the Prime Minister is the head of government. The republic is governed in terms of the Constitution of India, which was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on 26 November 1949 and came into force on 26 January 1950. Fifth, a line of succession of kings of the same family. This form of government is called dynasty. The Zhou dynasty ruled China longer than any other dynasty in Chinese history. Do you know, students, the constitution of a country is a body of fundamental or basic laws according to which a country is governed. The Constitution of India is the longest written constitution of any country in the world, containing 444 articles in 22 parts, 12 schedules, and 124 amendments, with 1,46,385 words in its English language version. Students who have completed ninth lesson. Let's start 10th lesson. 10th lesson, Diet and Nutrition. People across the globe are consuming various foods that are rich in nutrients and can help improve their immune system against the coronavirus pandemic. Good nutrition is an important part of leading a healthy lifestyle combined with physical activity. A balanced diet can help you to reach and maintain a healthy weight, reduce your chronic diseases, and promote your overall health. Diet and nutrition are very important during our growing up years. Check how much you know about them. In health box, iron, calcium and phosphorus, vitamin C, red blood cell, nutrients, pineapple juice, calories, vitamin A and C. These words are given. Let's start question answers. First, we eat tomatoes because it is a rich source of dash. Answer, vitamin C. Vitamin C means ascorbic acid is water soluble vitamin. It is strong antioxidant. It is important for skin, bones and connective tissue. It promotes healing and helps the body absorb iron. Second, carbohydrates, proteins, minerals, fats and vitamins that are required for our growth and energy are commonly known as nutrients. Nutrients are compound in food essential to life and health, providing us with energy, the building blocks for repair and growth, the substances necessary to regulate chemical process. Macronutrients means carbohydrates, proteins, fats are eaten in large amounts. Micronutrients means vitamins and minerals needed in smaller amounts. Third, bones and teeth are made brittle by the absence of dash and das. Answer, calcium and phosphorus. Milk, cheese, yogurt and other dairy products, beans, dark green vegetables are rich source of calcium. Taking vitamin D will help your body to absorb calcium better. Rickets is a disorder that can develop due to lack of vitamin D, calcium or phosphate. Fourth, people who feel uncomfortable after meals due to dyspepsia can get relief by taking dash. Answer, pineapple juice. Fresh pineapple juice is sometimes recommended for people who suffer from indigestion as a result of a low production of stomach acid. The bromelain in the juice is thought to aid the digestive process by helping to break down proteins while also soothing inflammation in the stomach. Fifth, energy from food measured in terms of heat units is called dash. Answer, calories. The calories counted for dietary reason are in fact kilocalories with the kilo prefix omitted. In scientific notation, a capitalized calorie is used. In other words, if a peach is listed as having 40 calories, this indicates that peach has actually 40,000 calories. Sixth, spinach is a rich source of dash. Answer, iron. Iron is an essential nutrient that plays an important role in many bodily functions. A diet lacking in iron can result in low energy levels, shortness of breath, headaches, irritability, dizziness, or anemia. 7. Vitamin B12 and folic acid are required by the body to make dash. Answer, red blood cell. Red blood cells carry fresh oxygen throughout the body. This is important to your health. RBC are made in the bone marrow. They typically live for about 120 days and then they die. Foods rich in iron help you maintain healthy red blood cells. Vitamin B2, B12, and B3 found in foods such as eggs, whole grains, and bananas. Folate found in fortified cereals, dried beans and lentils, orange juice, and green leafy vegetables. Diseases of the red blood cells include many types of anemia. 8. Night blindness is caused by the deficiency of dash. Vitamin A. Vitamin A, also called retinol, plays a role in transforming nerve impulses into images in the retina. The retina is a light sensitive area in the back of your eye. People who have pancreatic insufficiency, such as individuals with cystic fibrosis, have difficulty absorbing fat and are at a greater risk of having vitamin A deficiency because vitamin A is fat soluble. This puts them at greater risk for developing the night blindness. 9. Mango is a rich source of vitamin dash and dash. Answer A and C. Mango is a low-calorie fruit that is high in fiber. It also contains folate, B6, iron and a little calcium, zinc and vitamin E. Mangoes are a good source of antioxidants. All cells require vitamin A and C for growth, including the skin and hair, and some studies suggest that it may offer potential protective effects against the sign of aging. Do you know, students, potato, the most common vegetable across the world, was introduced in Europe from South America as an ornamental plant, that is for decoration and not as a vegetable. Students, we have completed 10th lesson. Now it's fun quiz time. Students, you have to identify this diagram. Yes, what is the name of the diagram? It is food pyramid. Identify this diagram. It is My Plate. My Plate replaces the familiar food pyramid diagram. My Plate is the current nutrition guide published by the United States Department of Agriculture. Students, we have completed 9th lesson, Forms of Government, and 10th lesson, Diet and Nutrition. We will meet again in the next session. Till then, eat healthy and stay healthy.